Hello, Ashley.
Hi.
Hello. So today we are gonna be playing Adopt Me, and as you all know that this is Halloween update. So we are gonna be hatching some. What is that called?
I will see right. Halloween mummy cat box.
Yeah, Halloween Mommy Cat Box. So let's go and buy it, Ashley.
Yes.
Okay, so let's
Why?
go and teleport there.
Teleport? Where?
Yeah, to the Halloween event. Crypt,
Okay.
to the crypt. Yes,
Okay.
let's teleport to the crypt. Okay, so
8023.
Wow. We're so
Jessie here. Jessie here. Hello Jessie. Can I go in? Where do we buy there? Oh, in the. Where do we buy there? Yes.
in the shop.
Yes, I found it. Oh my god, it's 600. Can you buy one for me, please?
No, you have one.
So can you buy one for me after?
No, you have one.
I want the gold mummy cat. Please. Can I have the gold mummy
Let
cat?
we are doing a challenge that let's see who get the good pet.
Yes. If she gets common and I get uncommon, so I will be the winner.
Yeah, and if she get uncommon, I get a legendary, and so I will be a winner.
Yes. Let's swap out.
Hey, Ashley, where are you?
I'm here. I'm jumping.
Yeah, come here.
Where?
Here, to me, where I am.
Haha. So
What the? Okay, come. I have this evil.
Wow, can you show me?
Yeah, sure.
What is this? It is ultra rare or which?
It's rare.
It's rare. Oh my god.
Is it nice?
It's so cool.
Come here now. Let's buy.
What I will do is just trade my some pets like my dragon and the ocean next for these pets. I don't want to waste my everything.
Okay, so you can
If
come.
I will have so many candies, so
Okay, so take out the Halloween Mummy Cat box.
okay, when you will say, I will get it out.
Get it out.
Okay. It's common.
It's
Oh no, I
common.
just opened it.
Opened it.
Yes.
What you got?
Black mummy cat.
Oh, you
It's
got black
uncommon.
mummy
It's
cat.
uncommon.
Oh, okay.
Let's see what you get.
I did it. Let me just open it. 3, 2,
2,
1.
1. What you get? What did you get? What did you get? What did you get? Oh, let's do
One
one more. Please buy one for me. I don't have any.
Oh, I can buy all for myself.
Okay, I'm going. Bye.
Hey, don't go. You can buy any other thing.
I don't have anything. It's not.
White Mummy Cat.
Why mummy cat? What is it? Common or uncommon?
It is rare.
Oh, you won, I guess.
And now I wanna buy something like pet from pet shop. Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Well, they're so expensive.
I have so many money. I can buy anything from the pet shop.
Oh.
I like my black mummy cat. It's not bad. I will trade it after the Halloween update. It will be fun to trade these stuff.
Yes.
I don't have anything to. Oh my God! You have no more left.
I have 868 left.
Oh my God! This is so cute. How much is this?
So guys, what can I buy now?
I don't know. Which is broom? It's uncommon.
What are you saying?
Which is broom?
What is broom? Can I buy one more? I buy one more. Oh my god.
What I will do? I don't have any. Buy one for me.
Oh no, I don't have money left.
No. I don't.
I got a black one.
No, that means you won.
I have 2 black and 1 white. I want
okay,
the golden one.
So, come to the factory shop. I want to tell you something.
What?
Come there. Just come there. Don't ask me anything.
Petware shop?
Yes, factory shop. Right over here. You don't know the petware shop?
I know.
Come up.
Wait, I'm coming. No.
Can you see me now?
No.
I can see you.
Where
I
are
am
you?
here. See up.
Oh.
Come here.
So what?
Come here. I want to tell you something.
Oh, I like it. I like it. So cute.
Buy
I
it.
buy
First, come here. Then buy everything. Come
it. Yeah, I
here.
buy this one.
So put this
It's
on
so
your.
cute.
Put this on
This
your.
is also so cute.
So buy this too.
No, not now. Oh.
This is back. I am so mad. Come up. I am saying.
And now I'm buying
Jump
this.
from here.
Okay.
Come
It's
here.
inside my inventory.
I'm coming down.
What?
You're not coming here. I'm leaving. Come on.
I got a pen. Free pen.
Come here.
Okay, I'm coming.
Come with me. Come with me. Stand right over here. I want to tell you something.
Yes.
So, when we get the golden egg, when we will hatch that, so if you got a golden griffin and I got a golden unicorn, so I won. If anybody gets the golden dragon or the golden unicorn, they won. If we both got a golden dragon or a golden unicorn, if you got a golden unicorn and I got a golden dragon, you will win because it's for the unicorn. If you got the griffin and I got the unicorn, so I won. If you got the dragon and I got the griffin, you won. Okay?
Okay.
Nobody wants the griffin.
Okay.
Okay?
I wanna dress her up.
Okay, dress her up. She's really cute. Cutie pie. Okay, come here, please. I want to show you something.
Oh, she looks so cute. Look at her.
Oh, name her the cute.
The bow.
The bow. Okay, I will get something.
She's looking cute. Okay.
What is this? Anitana. What is this? I don't know.
And now I wanna buy any other thing from.
Oh wow, which is
Vehicles.
which is broom? I want to buy this which broom.
Can I buy a stroller? No. I wanna buy a pet.
So many money lost.
Oh, you didn't?
This flag, mommy cat will wear this. I bought this for you and you are sleepy? You are a really bad girl.
LOL. Can I buy some ocean eggs? No. Mythic eggs, I mean mythic eggs. No, I'm not gonna buy them.
See, I have really cute hat. I wear that to my unicorn. You wanna see? See this hat, see this hat.
I'm not there. I'm at the pet shop.
Come fast. I am coming in the pet shop.
Okay.
Pet.
This
I'll go to nursery. You have so many pets. I don't have any pets.
You don't have any pets?
Yes, I don't have any pets.
You have so many pets.
I don't have. Are you ready? See this hat. See this
Wait.
hat. I
What?
dropped you.
What?
See see this hat.
What?
See this hat.
Oh, that's looking so cute.
Do you want this?
If you can give me.
For something. Trade something for this.
Okay.
Trade me.
Oh, yes, yes, yes.
Is this started or not?
It's starting.
Where do we need to go? I don't know this game. I don't play this game.
You don't play games?
No, I don't.
Then how will you earn money? How will you earn candy? Catch him.
I can't write this. Go away. I don't like you.
Okay, I got 600 score.
I got 1000 score.
Wow. I got 900.
Wow. Oh my god. Nice.
I got 400 candies right now. And this is the secret that you can walk here. Okay, bye.
Guys.
Let's go to ocean mini game that one.
Teleporting to you. Teleporting to you. Candy ready. Candy is ready. Candy is ready. Candy is
Yes, I joined it the mini game and let's see the no swimming
Nora,
allowed.
how can I join the game? Ocean Hunt mini game, no? You want to?
Yes. Okay, firstly I'm going to no swimming allowed one.
126 minutes, okay? Nora, I'm following you. Okay, first of all, wait. Okay, send me to your family. I'm a baby, send me to your family. I want to play.
No, I'm playing game right now.
I want to play games too. I found this. कितना टाइम रहता है?
51, 50, 49, 48, 47,
46, 45, 44,
Oh my god, I'm
43,
going.
42, 41, 40, 36, 37, 38, 4, 33, 32,
What the hell?
31, 39, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 21, 2,
Okay, I added one ingredient.
19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8,
What happened to my screen?
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. I got 170 candy.
I got 7.
Oh, I have 548.
I don't know what happened to me. I don't know.
You have only 7 candy and 1 bus?
No.
What is G? What is H? What is L?
I don't know.
See, I have so many candy. What is
I
this?
don't know what is
Exo.
this. I think we should end the video now. Bye guys. I don't know what happened to me.
Bye. We will make an